Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can see your done task on ClickUps. Maybe you want to keep on track of your progress in doing the task, so you want to know on how to see your done task. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can see your done task on ClickUps. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed to your home page. And you can also see below the notification icon, search icon, and then these dotted icons. And then now, to see your done task on your ClickUp, you'll see here the option to do, comments, and done. Simply tap on this done. As you can see, no completed to-dos yet. Completed tasks and reminders will show up here. So that means if you complete your task on ClickUps, it will be automatically appear on this page. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to see your done tasks on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to see your done tasks on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.